Yeah, good afternoon, everyone, and Merry Christmas to everyone. When Today we will see some charts. I'll start sharing my chart first. Is my chart visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Fine. So I have added uh, mainly it is price action toolkit and tape reading tool. This is our tape reading tool, and these lines are because of toolkit. You can see there are purple color candles, yellow color candles. Purple color candle means downward candle which has a selling force. Black color candle means upward candle which has a buying force. And yellow candles are strong candles. They can be either on upside or on downside. And these can be used for assessment of force. And I have developed this indicator separately so it shows these kind of candles readily with downwards arrows or upward arrows. Hmm. Uh, Here you can see I have added updated trend display indicator as well, where we can see multi time frame trend. So 75-minute, 1 week, and 1 month. All trends are visible. 361. This stock is in uptrend on 75-minute and on weekly chart as well as daily chart. But monthly chart, it's not showing anything because it may have a shorter duration and color may not get printed. So that is fine. This way we can understand that trend is up, current force is up, and stock is strong. Even in this kind of down market, this is daily chart. So this is a strong stock and it is likely to continue going up. If you get some good kind of setup, you can look for buying opportunities. And we are not going to discuss in details about where to buy, how to buy. We will just go with tape reading tool, and right now this is the level to buy as per tape reading tool. It may take some time or it may create new buying area. After that it will give opportunity to buy. As per TRT, it's not a level to buy right now. We can just skip this for now. I have explained in short what is the setup, what are different things we are going to look at the chart. One thing is buying force, whether it is buying force or selling force, and another is what is the trend as per tape reading tool. We are not going to see other trends like Wyckoff trends like Dow's trend. Okay, uh, this looks promising, but there is no setup as of now. This is ABDL or Allied Blend. It is in daily uptrend. 75 is also uptrend. It is fresh chart, new chart. So it does not show anything on weekly and daily chart. The force is strongly bullish and this is first time green. But as this is new IPO stock, we will have to see if it provides some good setup. Right now, if we want to buy, it will be buying opportunity around 320 as per tape reading tool, and it may not come so much down. It may come down up to 370 or 350 levels, and that can be also a good level to buy. So we'll have to keep watch on 370, 350 levels and 320 levels. How do we see that? We can just add alerts. Click here, and these are the settings of this line. We can add alert here. So if price touches that level, it will show a new alert. Here I will create new alert at this level. So if price touches this level, it will show me that ABDL has reached 371, 372 level. If I want to buy at that time, I may look to buy it, or I may skip it. But I want reaccumulation schematic in this stock, after which I would like to buy. I don't want to buy it here by keeping stop loss below this. It is very big stop loss, 100-point stop loss. And in these kind of stocks, it's possible that this stop loss will not get hit from 400. It can go to 4,000 also, because this is new IPO stock. But it is not a recommendation to buy right now. This is Aditya Birla Fashions. And in Aditya Birla Fashions, what do we see? There is red color. The candle has just turned red and it's not in buying area. It has broken this buying area, rapid up, rapid down. So I will not do anything in this stock. I will let it be. Pace or Action Construction, it has changed green here, and this is new buying area. It's looking promising. If it comes to around 1380, 1385, I can look for buying opportunity. So I will add alert at 1385 level, 1385, and create alert. So if it comes to 1385 at that time, I may look for new buying opportunity. It can come down if daily candle closes below 1332, then it will not be a good stock to hold on. But it can come down up to 1385 and it can give us good retracement entry. Especially here we have a breakout. It can come down as a retracement and it will not be very deep retracement if it comes to 1385. It will be around 75% retracement. So it is possible. Let's check next. Adani Energy Solution, it is red, so I'm not going to buy as long as it is red. Once this closes above 830, 838, if daily close happens above 838, then this will become green. After that, it can give retracement entry. So I'm not going to touch it till then. Same for Adani Power, it is red. It is coming down. Aeroflex Industries, it has a trading range. So here it went up, created a continuation, gave retracement entry, went up, gave nice target. Again it came down, went up. Now it is coming down for retracement. I'll calculate 50% retracement from this to this. It has given 50% retracement. So those who want to buy it for any reason, they can buy because it has touched 50%. Stop loss will be daily close below 170 level. Otherwise, those people who are more interested in more deeper retracement, they can buy around 197 to 187 range. This will be in good discount. It should not touch this buying area. It is less likely to touch it because it is very deep retracement. If it comes up to that level, then up move may be slow. So we have to wait and watch if we want to buy here. How is the price action? If there are downward force candle, we should avoid buying. Uh, Ether Industries is red and pink. I'm not going to buy it. Apple has turned green now, and this should come down to buying area. If I want to buy it, I will keep alert around 1625 or 1600 levels. So this level, if it comes down to this area, I can buy it there, and my stop loss will be daily candle close below this, or this will be candle crossing basis stop loss 1428. If it closes below 1500, then that will be stop loss. So stop loss is 100 points. Minimum target is 1850, means 250 points. It looks good. So just wait and watch. When price touches that level, we can check. Now this is Agarwal Industries Corporation, and it has created a buying area. So this may provide good opportunity to buy at 1262 with stop loss of 1225. But there are some downward gaps here. If it comes slowly over next 3 to 4 days, then it will be good. If it comes down rapidly, we'll have to wait. So there are no hidden gaps on selling side. So it is still good stock, and it's not, there is not much of selling pressure here. So we can look to buy here. It has gone up very nicely. It can give us retracement entry and it can go up again. So this is a stock which we should be keeping in close watch list. Agarwal Industries. This is another Ahluwalia, and it had nice downtrend. Downtrend was present since this time. There was strong downward candle, after which downtrend started, and there are many downward arrows. This downward arrow high is broken. There are two upward arrows, and selling pressure is gone. Buying pressure is appearing with upward arrows. There are black candles which are sign of strength candles. So this stock is looking strong, and now it has given retracement here. It may come up to this buying area. So if it comes in this buying area around 990, I will buy, and my stop loss will be around 915. This can be a good pick. Ahluwalia, this is second stock which we can buy, but on weekly it is still in downtrend, so we can check on weekly how it is. This is, this has turned red on weekly chart, so it can be a bad stock to invest for long duration. It can be just a short term trade with target of 1232. So it can come down here and it may give this target, but it's not good for investment purpose because weekly trend is down. Now we have another stock, Autumn Invest and Infra. So this is sideways price action, trading range price action, and after that we have a bullish change here. Strong buying force is appearing here. So this stock looks good. I think this is new IPO stock. There is breakout here and reaccumulation kind of picture is visible here. So if this stock starts moving higher, it can give very good returns. I am again telling you that this is not a recommendation to buy. This is just my study. And we have seen there is reaccumulation schematic. This is buying climax, automatic reaction. This is minor sign of strength. This is spring. This is secondary test. So as long as price remains below this low, which is around 1540, so keeping a stop loss of 1540, we can invest in this. The better investment will be when price goes above this. So if it crosses 1710, then at that time upward movement will start 1710. So if prices cross 1710, then I can look to buy. This must be in your very close watch list because it has already given entry in buy area. This is buy area which is not broken on closing basis. And if it crosses 1710, then stop loss will be around 200 points, but upside is open. So this can be used as a investment stock. I don't know about fundamentals. I don't know anything about this stock's fundamentals. So you have to do your own study. I'm just telling you what is the technical picture. Okay. This is Albert David, and this stock was, there was strong breakout, then prices came down. Whenever there is this kind of strong breakout, usually prices go sideways or they come down again to test these levels again. So there is retracement. So whenever a stock goes up strongly like this, how much was the move? This was around 57% within very few less days. So within 2 to 3 weeks, it went up by 60%. And those stocks which move rapidly like this, they usually go in consolidation. So it is better to book profits if you are holding them. And now, right now, the trend turned up. Now, stock is again coming down. It has given retracement. Retracement looks very nice. So one can look to buy above this candle's high. That will be 1343. Or if it touches here, around 1287, and stop loss will be below this 1250. One can buy immediately or buy above this or buy at this level 1287, and stop loss will be below 1250. Albert David looks fine. Alembic looks good. There was a downtrend. After downtrend, prices started moving higher, and first time it has turned green, and there is some sideways price action. So this is not a first time when after strong downtrend, it's not first time green. Basically, it is after sideways, it is green. So I can look for buying opportunities, and buying opportunity can be at previous swing high or in this buying area 132, 125. These are the buying areas, and my stop loss will be below this on closing basis. But there is a SOW candle or strong downward candle, so one has to be cautious while buying it. When price comes here, at that time we can decide. 75-minute trend is up, 75 is down, but weekly and monthly are all up. So one can look to buy Alembic, and it will be in discount area. If you take this, it has already touched 60% retracement, and this 130 level is 70% retracement, 75%. So sometimes it comes up to 75% retracement, and this purple candle is visible, but there is no hidden gap here. Therefore, as there is no gap, stock is not showing downward arrow. Selling pressure is not significant. There is first time buying pressure has appeared. This selling pressure has gone. Previous SOW candles high is broken. Now, if we see one more buying candle, it will be very good signal. But before that also we can look to buy at 130 to 125 levels. Alkem trend is down, so I will wait for this stock to show uptrend. It is in trading range. Maybe on smaller time frame, it will show some good accumulation schematic. And yes, there is some good accumulation schematic. If you want to buy based on this time frame, then you can look to buy. Otherwise, let it be. Anupam Rasayan, it is still sideways and down, so nothing here. Apollo Tires has green color, so it is looking good. There was strong up move, and prices are coming down for retracement. And immediate level is not available on TRT, so we'll skip this. Let it be. It has not yet touched 50% level also of retracement. So it can come down and give retracement entry. Arvind Fashions is red, so let it be. Asahi India, it's green and it has gone up strongly. Now it can retrace. This has moved rapidly. Now it may consolidate for some time before going higher. I don't see any good accumulation schematic here, means at this level, and I don't see any good opportunity to buy based on TRT. So I will not do anything in this. Associate alcohol, again, all higher time frames are showing uptrend. There was small down move here, but again breakout has happened. So this is not a weak stock even now. It may come down to give retracement entry. If it comes down, that can be a buying opportunity. Ashoka Buildcon breakout happened, prices are coming down. There is a widespread down candle, so I will wait for positive price action before buying, or else we can wait till this buying area, and when it reaches here, if there are no downward candles after this and there is no selling pressure, then only we can buy. If there is lot of selling pressure, we should avoid it. Asian Energy Services, there is green change, there are strong bullish candles, downward pressure is absent. So we can look for this stock to come in buying area, and this can give us buying opportunity. There is this resistance level. If it comes down here and starts going higher, next time it can break out. It has already tested here once, twice, and thrice. So three times test testing has been done, it can come down to give buy entry and then break out above these levels is possible. At least it can go up to 410, and if it sustains, then it can break above this also. But buying opportunity can be below 340. It should not be bought immediately. ATGL has given a strong breakout after very bad news. So there was a selling climax kind of picture. Then there is strong automatic rally. After this kind of rapid move, prices many a times go below this candle's low or even below this candle's low, create a double bottom and then they start moving. So even if it touches 619, I will wait and see how is the price action when it is reaching this level, and maybe confirmation entry will be better at that time because these are highly news driven stocks. Atul Auto has come down in good buying area. There is strong buying pressure, there is no selling pressure, so one can look to buy this stock. This is in discount area. Stop loss will be below this. If candle closes below 515, then it can be considered as a bad stock. Otherwise, this has given good opportunity to buy. There was strong up move right from this area. It has touched again here, it went up. Now again it is trying to test this area. So it can give a nice up move. Many a times when this kind of price action is visible, many candles are required for consolidation to start new fresh up move. So now it can be a good time for new fresh up move. If markets are supportive, then this can start moving higher. Okay, any questions, any confusions?
No, sir, going well.
Okay, well, let me add alert on Atul. This is Orion Pro, and in Orion Pro, what do we see? Price is sideways here. There was strong up move from here. Then it went down, came down here in the buying area, gave retracement entry, started moving higher. Took lot of time here, but ultimately it is going up. So this kind of price action will test lot of patience. When we buy here, it will test our patience. It went up, came down again, went up, came down again multiple times, but ultimately it is giving some profit, and it is likely to continue moving higher because the trend is still up. There are some good buying areas here, but these are all used buying areas. So I will not look for retracement entry here. I don't want this stock to come down again. It should start rapidly moving higher. Otherwise, there is no point in holding on because it has taken a lot of time here. So it should break out. Azad Energy looks good. If it comes down in this buying area, one can look to buy around 1607 level, 1606, 1607. This is good buying area, and stop loss will be around 1540. Daily close below that. So if it comes down here, it can break and reach 1900 levels also. Okay. It had given nice breakout here. There was a falling wedge. Breakout happened, gave retracement entry in the buying area and started moving higher and higher. So this is very important. Whenever we get entry in buying area, the risk reward is very favorable. See, there was 90 points of risk and it went up to 440. 5 times has already achieved. This Bajaj Consumer Care, this is looking good. It has given retracement entry in the buying area. It is still in the buying area. One can look to buy immediately or one can look to buy after confirmation. Confirmation will be when price crosses above this 208.72. So if it crosses about 208, 209, that will be a good buying opportunity, and stop loss will be daily close below 199. If it doesn't go above this, one should not buy. There were strong downward candles. There are widespread down candles which are appearing white, but there is no hidden gap, no selling pressure. Still, it has come down. As I mentioned that whenever first time buying force appears, most of the times prices come down below that and test how is the pressure. Many times this happens. This selling pressure is gone. This buying pressure has appeared. Prices are testing below this buying pressure without any selling pressure. Significant selling pressure is absent. Testing is complete now. If it keeps going below, then it's not an opportunity to buy. If it closes below 199, it will not be a good stock to hold on as per our understanding. If it crosses 209, we can buy. So this can be checked on Monday, Bajaj Consumer. We can add alert here. Adding alerts like this becomes very easy. Whenever stock reaches that level, it gives us ready-made alert, and we know that this stock is doing something which we are looking for. Now, Bajaj Electricals is in downtrend. You can see it turned red here, went up, touched selling area, and is down again. There is a lot selling pressure also. So this stock should not be bought. Everything is down. See, 1 month, 1 week, 75, all time frames are down. It's not a stock to buy. Bajaj Finserv, it has broken buying area. There is selling pressure. So there was a visible gap here and it has come down in this buying area. So there is conflicting signal as long as stock color is means if the stock is not giving clear cut signals, it's better to look for those stocks which are clearer and avoid any confusion. If I want to buy, what I will want is either it should cross above this or it should show some buying pressure. Candle color is already red. So it should close above this, and after that, I will take a retracement entry. I will not buy before that because now it is already red. Some people may buy here also and keep stop loss below 1520 on closing basis. So that is also okay, but I am not going to do that. This is Bajaj Holding. Bajaj Holding is sideways. It's showing that after strong up move, prices are sideways. There was some selling pressure here, so buying climax happened. AR, some schematic developed spring also happened, and now it is trying to break out. So if this stocks breakout happens, then it can go on to make new highs, and it can be a very good stock to buy because there is good sideways price action. This area is tested multiple times. You can see prices after uh, fall here, they went up once, twice, thrice, penetrated all these candles highs. So selling pressure is gone and buying pressure candles are appearing. There is no selling pressure now, buying pressure is visible. If you want, you can buy immediately and keep stop loss below this, or you can buy on retracement up to this 10,550 or buy on breakout. Whatever method suits you. What I will do if it comes to 10,550, that will give me best opportunity and my stop loss on crossing basis will be below 10,000. That will be 550 point stop loss. And upside, I don't know how much it will go. It can go on. If the accumulation is good, it can break out and give good movement. This is Bajaj Electricals, Bajaj Products, not Bajaj Electrical, Bajaj Products. And there was strong up move. Retracement is happening. One may look to buy. As I mentioned, whenever green arrow appears first time, the low of that candle gets tested. This low is getting tested here. It is already tested actually. Price came down below this. It can also come down below this also. But still candle color will remain green as long as candle close is not below this buying area. If you want to buy, you can decide your entry between 244 to 230. Shri Tirupati Balaji. This is some new IPO stock. It came down after IPO listing and then went sideways. Strong up move happened and this is retracement. So stock has come down in buying area. It is still in the buying area. One can look to buy and keep stop loss and candle close basis below 69. Again, this is not a recommendation. This is just for study purpose. If it closes below 69, it can remain sideways. But as this is new IPO stock, less than 1 year, these kind of stocks have tendency to move faster and they can go up very rapidly, very nicely. So if you want to take risk, you can look for this stock. Balaji, Tirupati Balaji. Okay, someone please make a list of the stocks which I am telling you that these can be good for nearest watch list. Keep it in close watch list. This can be one of them. Then Balaji Telefilms, I had bought this and it went up very nicely. It went up 50% after my entry, and I'm still holding it. It's not showing any weakness. Let us see how it goes. So Bansal Wire Industries. So Bansal Wire Industries created a bullish change. It is again new IPO kind of stock. So if it comes down to give retracement entry around 423, we can look to buy, and 395 can be the stop loss on daily closing basis. This has created a green change. It is already touching 50% retracement. It can be bought here also. It can be bought in further more retracement. But 397, 395 level is important level. It should not close below that. This is Banswara Syntex. Banswara Syntex. This it's showing strong upward momentum. There was continuation and this low is broken on closing basis. A black color candle has appeared. That means bulls have hit the stop loss. And one should not wait for, means it is better to wait and watch. There was strong upward move, so it can go in consolidation before making new up move. This is Bata India. Bata India has given retracement after strong up move, but there are two downward candles and low of this candle is broken. So strong up move, strong down move. It is sideways price action. I will not buy it. There is confusion in minds of people. It's better to avoid buying. This is BDL. It is Bharat Dynamics, and in Dynamics, if price touches 1016, 1017 level, then we can look to buy if there is no selling pressure. We have one candle where selling pressure is visible because there is a gap down, and buying candles low is also broken. So if one more selling pressure candle appears, then it will not be a good opportunity even at retracement. It may just go up slightly and come down again. I'll wait and watch if that happens. But if it comes slowly up to this level, then we can look for buying opportunity. It should come down without selling pressure. BEL, I had seen this stock and this had created bullish change, gave retracement entry, went up very nicely and completed first target. And let us check how much is the risk reward achieved till now. For risk of 18 points, it went up by 44. So almost 2.5 times reward was achieved in this up move. Now there are two strong down candles. So if it even if it touches this buying area, I will not buy immediately. I will wait. While coming down here, there was just one selling pressure candle. And I have said multiple times that when selling pressure candle appears, prices usually go up and test one more time. So it went up, came down again below this swing low. You can see these are the swing markings. This is swing low, this is swing high. Again, swing low is created below this low because there was selling pressure. Therefore, I say multiple times that if there is selling pressure, I will not buy immediately. I will wait for confirmation. This is BML stock. So there is selling pressure candle. Even if it comes here, it may go up and again it can come down for testing purpose. So there was a selling pressure candle, went up, again came down, tested and then went up. This is very consistent many times. There was selling pressure candle here. It went up. But what happened later on, it came for testing. Testing may not happen immediately like this. It may come down later on also. But we are not sure when there is selling pressure. Therefore, I don't prefer to buy immediately when there is a selling pressure. We may have to wait and watch for a long time. The price went up, came down again. We are always uncertain. What will happen? What will happen? So, lack of selling pressure is important, guide. Then we have BEPL. There is nice bullish change. There is sideways price action. If we look for schematic, probably this is a spring secondary test. It failed. Again, this is a spring. Now, secondary test is happening. It can come up to 131 levels, up to this buying area. It is very less likely to come in this lower down buying area. If it comes there, it will not be a very strong stock. It should return from this areas. So, ideally, it should come up to this at the most and then start upward move if it is willing to go higher. So that is my understanding. One can keep this BPL in your close watch. Okay. Please, can we discuss BSE NS iPhone? Who is this iPhone? Please change your name. Okay, this is Bharat Wire Ropes. What is happening in this? Prices came down strongly. There is strong selling pressure. There is strong selling pressure here. So when prices are coming down with selling pressure, buying areas are not respected. It broke below that, went up. Buying pressure is still not strong. There is just one buying candle here. There are strong selling candles. This selling candles high is broken, but buying candles low is also broken. So just wait and watch. Don't do anything in this. Biocon is looking good, and it had two strong downward candles. So it may come down for testing purpose below this 329 level, and below that we have this buying area. So we can look for buying opportunity at 328.4 because selling pressure is reducing a bit now. And if it doesn't close below this low, then we may say that double bottom reversal pattern has formed in the buying area. It can be a good buying opportunity around 329 with a stop loss of 318, 319 on daily close. So Biocon can be kept in close watch list. Blue Star is far away from the buying area. Bombay Dyeing has broken buying area and it is showing selling pressure. So it may be a spring also, but we don't buy on spring immediate. I'll just wait and watch and see what happens. I will not buy this at latest prices. Borosil, there is selling pressure. Price has touched buying area, but see, there must have been a buying area here, and when price came down with selling pressure, there was strong selling pressure, went up, and again it came down slightly. Therefore, swing high form, price came down, and then it went up. Here we must have had some buying area. There is a continuation. Price did not complete our first target, which is the highest close here. It did not complete the first target and again came down. Therefore, whenever there is a strong selling pressure, I do not like to buy. It may not complete our target and we may hit the stop loss. Here the stop is hit. So prices went up, came down, again went up. Now there is again a selling pressure. Just let it be. Don't touch it. Borosil Renewables, what happened? See, there was strong buying, bullish change appeared, price came down in buying area, and there is no selling pressure candle here. If you observe, there is no downward arrow. So price did not have strong selling pressure. It came in this buying area, it touched this buying area. After that, slight up move, and then strong up move happened. So how much is this move? Let us see. It was 21 point risk and went up by 200 points, 10 times reward. Though we may not be able to capture 200 points reward, but it has gone up by 200 points. And if we keep stop loss even below this swing low, it will be very strong move. From here to here, even that is very good move, which one can capture. So there is no opportunity in this now. Yeah, Bsoft. Bsoft can be kept in close watch list. There is a bullish change. Only problem is a downward arrow, and now the testing is happening most likely. So price may come down in this buying area. 563 levels can be tested. After that, we may see up move. So strong down move. If it doesn't go up and keeps continuously coming down, that is not a buying opportunity. But it came down, went up, again it is coming down. So it has tested selling area. Now it is going to testing of buying area. This can be bought and prices may go up at least up to 632 and even break out above these levels because it has broken one selling area. There was a continuation, there was a selling area here. That area is broken. So any resistance is not applicable now. If it comes down here and starts moving higher, these selling areas will be invalid selling areas. I will be looking for prices to touch around 700 levels. Camlin Fine Sciences. So selling pressure has gone, buying pressure has started appearing. If it comes down for retracement entry in 119, we can buy it. Camlin. Canara Bank is near a retracement entry level, so one can keep this in close watch list. Capacity. I'll just run through now and see which are the stocks which are near to buying area. Castrol India, one can look for this stock. There is no selling pressure, buying pressure was nice. It has broken supply area and it is likely to touch buying area. If it comes down here, we can buy. Daily close stop loss will be below 184, 185 levels. Crossing basis stop loss below 166. Centurenka, there was green color, therefore I had kept it in green, but it has broken below buying area. And it may come down up to this also. But this low will not be most of the means there are very high chances that this low will not be respected. It will come down. It may come down up to 574 levels. It's not in futures. In Central Bank of India, it has closed below this buying area. There is not strong selling pressure, but some selling pressure is visible with gaps back to back. Just let it be. Centrum Capital. Centrum Capital has created a bullish change, so one can look for buying opportunities, especially in this buying area. If it reaches 32, one can buy with a stop loss below 30. 32.6 can be a buying opportunity. This is red. Sera is green and near buying area, so one can keep this in close watch list. But there is strong selling pressure. Again, SOW candle. So if it creates a swing high, swing low here, and again comes down, that will be better opportunity to buy because there is some selling pressure going on. CESC has created a bullish change coming down without any selling pressure. So this is a stock which one can keep in close watch list. CESC. CG Power has touched buying area, but there is a strong selling pressure. So if it goes up again, comes down below this swing low, that will be better opportunity to buy. Otherwise, I will just wait and watch. This chalet has a good buying pressure. There is buying area here. Price can come down in the buying area. If it touches that area, one can look to buy. Stop loss, better stop loss will be 804 levels. This stop loss may get hit, but this will be a better stop loss. Chambal Fertilizers, it is again sideways price action and it has been consolidating for long time. There is a spring, there is a secondary test. The phase D is going on, and if breakout happens, it may go in phase E. Selling pressure was there, but it broke the high of that selling pressure candle. So this is negated now. Prices are coming down without much of selling pressure. I may look for this as a I start entry candidate because multiple testing has been done and next time it may not stay just here. It can break out and create a new high. Chambal Fertilizers. Okay, I think that is enough for today. Somebody had asked BSE, so just check BSE. So BSE is already in up move and there was bullish change. Price came in the buying area and after that it has continuously gone up without giving retracement entry. So this was very nice opportunity to buy. Let me check the stop loss here. It was around 191 means 200 points and from there it has gone up by 17 times. The profit 3400 points up move has happened after this retracement entry. This is
Sir, as you
the
said, 70 to 80 candles bloody green. So
yes.
it is best time to book some profit over here.
Yes, if you are holding, you can look for booking profits because see there was some selling pressure here. So
Hmm.
it did not sustain, started moving higher, but this can be considered as a climatic type of move. And from here, if you want to keep a stop loss, it will be a daily candle close below 4,200, which
No,
is
but
a big profit erosion.
so better to book some profit over here.
Yeah, better to book half position here, and then if it comes down and closes
Hmm.
below this, then you can exit. Or if it comes here with smaller candles, then you can add also.
Yes, sir. Very good session, sir, today. Great.
Yes, thank you.
We need more session like this, sir.
Yes, yes, will do.
Thank you, sir.
Ketan sir, you are asking, do you suggest shorting practice in select highly liquid FNO stocks? Shorting, when the markets are bearish, then shorting opportunities are multiple. And if you are getting multiple stocks to short, then you can go for that. And it should always be done in highly liquid FNO stocks, not in any random stocks, because otherwise one may get stuck. What is the way to select few among all we discussed? So I have given only few names out of all these stocks. I had given you some names that these are looking better and these are looking near buying areas. So those stocks which are without any selling pressures, which are very close to buying area or which are already given entry in buying area, and stop loss is not very big. So these kind of stocks can be selected. Those stocks which are early in uptrend, like here, if we check BSE, what is happening? It is in downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. Color is red. There is lot of selling pressure. And before this entry, what happened? There are two bullish pressure candles. Selling pressure is gone here. There are two bullish pressure candles. Then bullish change appeared with green candle. Price came down to give retracement entry. Everything is positive for this stock to buy here. There is lack of selling pressure. Selling pressure has gone. Buying pressure has appeared. Then price came in buying area. It has created buying opportunity with very small stop loss. And then it has gone up very nicely. So there are multiple factors which one can consider before taking entry. There are buying and selling tests. I have given around 12 buying tests, 12 selling tests to my group members in the course group, and we have to apply those buying tests, apply those selling tests, and decide which stock we should buy.
Sir, can we have recording of this session?
Yes, I am recording this. I will keep this on YouTube.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
On our group also.
So I will share the link on our group.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anything else? Or should we end the session? Yeah, thanks, Pawan sir. Okay, bye bye. And one more thing, our next batch is starting from 12th January. So spread the word, share it with your friends, and I will be sharing the link. I have shared the brochure in our groups. There will be discount coupons, especially for New Year, which will be valid only till 31st December. So if you want to share it with your friends, it will be useful for them. Thank you. Bye bye.